Prime suspect in the taking out of Calabar coach Nicholas Neuville and female Rahima Edwards taken out in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links7 TV News Report and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links7 TV News Report. The alleged prime suspect in the taking out of Calabar coach Nicholas Neuville and female Rahima Edwards was taken out in a reported shootout by the police at Portmore Mall in St. Catherine. The suspect also was wanted for the murder of a shopkeeper in December of 2020. Words on the ground from sources is that the suspect, O'Neill Ford, was a contract killer and was allegedly hired to kill Neuville by a female in an alleged involvement with a love triangle with Neuville and Edwards. A .38 revolver was recovered at the scene, as it is understood that Ford was under surveillance by the JCF and was at the location to pick up a firearm. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with any more updates to come. This has been Links7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.